I call this the Easter egg nobody wanted. Michael, I swear if you miss it, I will kill you.
Okay.
We are back with another episode of Smash Random Crap with a Bat. This time we have Lucas being featured, my other brother. And Danny over there, my other brother. Lucas, I swear if you miss this, I will kill you, blah, 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 blah. We've already gone through all this with all the other videos. Oh! Okay, it's good, it's good. Ready? Oh my goodness. It's okay, you're gonna get it. Okay, we're back on the slow motion smash stuff with a bat. We got ourselves a nice. I want to eat this so bad, but you know what?
Just go.
If it gets us some stuff, then we're gonna do it. Ready? I swear if you miss, this is a beautiful chocolate covered strawberry, Michael.
I know what it is. Go.
I swear, if you miss this chocolate covered strawberry.
Okay, go.
It just